Okay, let's see how a real estate professional would provide a suggested sale price for a net listing using the following example. Assume the property owner indicates to a sales associate that the owner wants to net at least $142,000 from the sale of the property. The sales associate must assist the property owner with a listing price that will cover the owner's estimated closing costs and provide the brokerage with a commission of 6%. The sales associate estimates that the seller's closing costs will be approximately $3,700. What would be the suggested sale price for this net listing? So as we can see, the first step is to determine the seller's desired net proceeds, total needed by the seller. Indicated within the question, they want to net $142,000. So that is the first amount that we're going to plug in here, $142,000. Plus, we can't forget the estimated closing costs that they want to cover as well, which is $3,700. So total needed by the seller to not only net $142,000, but the $3,700. You add those two figures together, we can take out our calculator here. $142,000 plus $3,700 equals $145,700. And that's the amount we're going to plug in here. We'll need this amount in just a moment. Step number 2, subtract the percentage of the sale commission. If 100% represents the total seller's net percentage, we also want to cover the 6% commission that's owed to the brokerage. So we're going to plug in that 6%. If you take 100 and you subtract 6%, well, you get 94%. Okay, we'll need that amount in just a moment. And the last step is to calculate the desired sale price, not only to net $142,000, cover the closing costs, but also cover the 6% sale commission to the brokerage representing the seller. So we have this amount of $145,700. We're going to plug that in here once again, and we would divide it by the percentage for the seller's net, which is 94%. We take $145,700 and we divide it by 94%, which is 0.94, and you hit that equal sign. And you need to sell this property for $155,000 to cover the estimated closing costs of $3,700 and to provide a commission of 6% to the brokerage. And most importantly, for the seller to net $142,000 from the sale. That is how you calculate the suggested sale price for a net listing.